Hello my gorgeous little angels, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Antonia. If you'd like to become part of our magical online family, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below because we're nearly on 300 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. So make sure you click the red subscribe button because today we are doing a magical unboxing of the wonderful Cherry Wallis's Christmas Curation of Magical Curiosities box. I had to double check that because I thought I'll probably say it wrong. We also have this extra little thingy-majiggy, so we'll be seeing what's inside the box. So if you'd like to see what's in it, then carry on watching. Right, so I think I'm going to start inside the box and leave the thingy-majiggy to the side. I think that's the way I want to go. Yeah, I feel like that's the right method. Okay, so let's get this open. Ooh, hello. Are you meant to be on top? Oh, it's a happy Christmas, Neville. It's like a little Christmas card. How cute. Let's read the back. Dear friends, I couldn't risk sending Hedwig ever since the World Cup. The ministry has been intercepting more and more owls, and she's too easily recognised. Sirius Black. That reminds me, did you feed the owl upon arrival? It's quite cold this winter. Oh my god, it's absolutely freezing. And it's flown quite the journey to get to you. I can't believe the festive season has arrived. It's the most wonderful time of the year, don't you think? Oh, I love Christmas. Like I was made for this season. I was born to be, well, I was born the 5th of January, so I was born to be a Christmas baby. This year has been filled with such magic. Oh my god, I can't speak. I'm so sorry. This is a terrible start if I'm already stumbling and literally it's the first thing that we're reading. Can you tell how great this video is going to go today? Can you tell? Because I've got Baltimore chilling with me, you know what I mean? Giving me the bad vibes. They said dad vibes. And our community is thriving. Our Wizarding World has some of the most incredible, passionate and kind-hearted wizards and witches within it. And I'd like to say a huge thank you for all your support with the curation of Magical Curiosities this year. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very magical New Year. Always, Cherry. That is so cute. I love the little personalisation of speaking like directly to us, which is kind of cute. And then we have loads of Christmas little twiglets. So we've got like little green and red, and then obviously the classic little beigey weigies. I don't know why I'm like rhyming every word, so let's just remove them. Okay, so we've got like a little, should we go for the big parcel? Should we take that out the box? Let's take you out. So beautifully packaged. You could literally open this box, like, cause like, look, I don't want to spoil any more, but obviously we're gonna see it all, but they're all like individually packaged, which I absolutely love. Like you could literally open it and put it under the Christmas tree and be like, Santa's being, there you go. So let's unfortunately ruin the packaging. So cute. It's just very like hand touched. I love it. If that makes sense. Like, not, I don't mean handmade, I mean hand touched. I meant that. I did mean it. Right, let's see what we're getting. This is so cute. I feel like this is a scarf by Molly Weasley. Is it? It doesn't come with any description. Oh my god, this literally goes to me off because it's kind of got the green in it. Oh my god, I'm wearing it. I'm actually wearing it. Wait, I'm going to play with it and then let's make it pretty. Let's make it pretty. Don't know whether this is pretty, but this is how I wear my scarves. But oh, I'm attached. How cute. If this is honestly a gift from Mrs. Weasley, I'm dying. I am dying. I feel like I'm part of the clan. Even though I'm not ginger, but it's okay. It's okay, I'm still part of the clan. So let's go. By the way, I love this. Let me talk a bit more. It's really soft, beautifully knitted. Absolutely, I hope it's knitted. It's not crocheted, is it? This is what it looks like up close and personal. If you wanted to see that close. It's so cute. I mean, the colours. You have to be like you need like clothes to go with it. Like I don't wear brown or really any of the colours in it, but I feel like it goes with what I've got on today because it's got a tiny bit of green sort of in its little sparks and blue, which kind of vibes to it, but it's really soft. It's so comfortable. I'm really hoping I don't like make it orange with my makeup, but it's cute. I'm a big fan. Very Christmassy. Which one should we go for next? I want to go for like a little one, I think, or should we stay in the big pile and then move over? This is sticking out, so I'm going to pick up this. Oh no, I feel like that's underneath. I won't pick you up then. What should we pick up? Should we go for this? Should we stick with it? Oh, wow. Happy Christmas, Harry. Happy Christmas, Ron. This is what the little... Oh, it's a Harry and Ron one? Okay. Use your brain, Antonia. This box is so cute. I was going to open it without breaking it. I mean, I know it's not breakable, but... You know me. You know me in packages. This is the... Oh, this is so cute. Stop it right now. It's... Oh, my... Oh, stop it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Oh my god. Oh my god. These are the cutest things I've ever seen in my life. Why has no one ever thought about this? I mean, everyone who doesn't like Harry Potter will look at you like you've got 10 heads because you're all mix match. And I don't even have words. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. They are the cutest things I've ever seen in my life. My hands have never looked better. Ever. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. I'm in love and I love the box. Oh, these have become one of my favourite things in the entire world. I don't feel like I want to wait in the whole video, but I feel like I'm going to commit. I feel like it's going to happen. Yeah. We'll try it. We'll try it. We'll give them a little test run. I'm not going to do that ever again. Jazz hands. Right, something's sticking out at me, so I'm going to grab it because I can see it. Are we Ron or Weasley? Yeah, wait, let me take it out. Yeah, see, no, these gloves need to come off because I won't be able to take this out. Oh, no. Wait. I'm going to lose the gloves. Still amazing. Big, big fan. They're very practical. Like how practical these items are. Like the subtle magic. Like, who would know that these are Harry Potter unless, like, you're one of our special little family members and you like Harry Potter. How do you open? Yeah. This is so cute. I literally feel like I'm in the Gryffindor common room. I mean, the little ends had a bit of a bad day, but it's okay. We can straighten that out. Chudley Cannons, which if you didn't know is Ron's favourite Quidditch team. I actually know something. Are you shocked? I'm shocked too. That is so cute. Very orange, but it's cute. Like, or even if we put it by the little, like, are we cute? We're cuter. That's really cute. I like that. Right. This is what the box looks like so far. So we've still got things sticking out. Should we go for this thing that's sticking up at us? Oh, this looks real ball inspired. Because of the box. Oh, I don't think I'm ready to open it. I love the ear ball. Oh my god, I've got so many twigglies all over the place. I'm gonna put... No, should I open it now? Should we commit? Oh my god, I'm overthinking this box so much because I'm not ready for it to end. Like, I'm ready for Christmas. Oh, again, I haven't brought scissors. You've seen the Nightmare in my last video. If it happens, I will link it down below, but my lord. Me and scissors are not friends. So my box had a little bit of damage, but it's okay. It sounds fragile. Oh lord. Let's open it up. Right. Do you know what it looks like? It looks like the pumpkin glasses. I'll link the video down below where I go on the tour of the Harry Potter studio, and literally towards the beginning if you obviously don't want to watch it all. I mean, you should watch it all. But if you don't, literally in like the first couple of minutes you can see I showed the Yule Ball display. And these like little glasses there, this is what it looks like. In the last Cherry Wallis box, I will also link that down below, me unboxing it, we get pins that have these on. If I'm wrong, it's going to be awkward, but I feel like I'm not. I'm not wrong, I'm not wrong, I'm not wrong. Don't have to tell you like 10 times. Oh my god, this is the cutest thing in the world. Oh my god, I really don't want to break it. Let's go dead slow. I'm literally unraveling it dead slow. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, look at the holographic little sparkly sparkles on that. I wonder if everyone got a different colour, because he's on blue, pink, and I'm sure it's orange. I'm sure they're the three colours. That is so cute. Love it. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. I love anything Yule Ball. And it's so outside the box. Like, who would even think to make that? You are a clever cookie, Cherry. Clever cookie, Cherry. Whew. 3 C's. Alliteration. That is right, isn't it? I did do English, I promise. I promise. Right, what should we go for next? I feel like this is catching my eyeball. I'm gonna pick you up. I love the packaging, honestly. She's killed it with the packaging. Just the fact that everything is individually sealed, so it's... This is so cute. It's Neville's Remember All. Stop it. It's like plastic as well, so like you're not worried about it breaking, which is super cute. So obviously younger little witches and wizards can also hold it and not worry about if they drop it, it won't shatter. That is so cute. What a good little thing to think about. Big fan, big fan. Right. Okay, I've just seen something because I've just moved the little twigglies. Let me take it out the packaging. And you can see it too. I love this. I love this. Let me just fix it. How cute! That is so cute. It's a little Harry Potter they're called garlands, aren't they? With a little lightning bolt. Oh, I love the little... Didn't even realise, is that right? Wait. No? Oh. I thought they were diamonds for the houses. Is that right? Is that gold? Is that I feel like that... Is that gold? It looks gold on the camera, but in person it's like a rose gold. Which is basically gold. Well, it's not, but it is. I feel like it is. I feel like they're for the Hogwarts houses. I feel like they are. I feel like I'm going with that. Because it looks gold on here. Which is all that matters. That is gorgeous. Very big. How cute. Oh, I can't wait. I'm literally going to put that on my jacket. Oh, I didn't even notice it's got a little snitch at the bottom. Oh, you cute. You are cute. It's got two little backing bits. I'm a big fan. That's one of my favourites so far. That and the gloves, I feel like, are my favourites so far. I feel like, and obviously I'm wearing this, but I feel like they're like booming it. They're booming it. I'm going to grab this. Oh, I knock myself a little bit sick sometimes. I do apologise. I'm just in one of them moods today. It's okay. It's okay. And I've been looking at this box since Saturday to unbox it, and now obviously today we are on... Please bear with me. My window cleaner's here. Out of all the times you're going to come, out of all of the times, it's literally 20 to 2 on Wednesday, the day I'm uploading it, and now he comes. Right, now he's moved away from my window. We'll unbox this little item, so let's have a little look. What are you? Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I love this. It's a little key, Christmas tree ornament. Let me just unravel. That is so cute. Oh, you can even open the wings. Stop. I don't want them to break, please. No, they are. They're adjustable. Oh, that is gorgeous. How would you hang it? Would you like moving on the wing? Oh, there we go. There we go. How adorable is that? Oh, the hanging's there. It's already tied for you. Oh, wow. That's a long decoration. That is so cute. Oh, I love it. It's very like Gringotts key as well. Like it literally fits the... Oh, look at it. Throwing in little details. There's a little Deathly Hallows. So, so gorgeous. Love that. Absolutely love that. That's one of my favourites. It's going to be my favourites pile. Right. This is what we've got left of the box. So there's two little things. Obviously we've got... Oh, I'm going to put this in the box, otherwise I'm going to forget about it. I'll open this little thing. So it's got a little thing on, so it reminds me of Weasley as our king. Like a little crown. I didn't say crown, it's got a little thing. This is... Oh... It's a chest piece. It's a chest piece. Oh, look at that. It looks so unimpressed with its life. It's not loving the chest life. It's not loving the chest life. That's what I look like when I go to work. Oh, now my dog's barking. I'm so sorry with all the noise that's going on. Because the window cleaners have come. So the dog's inside. So he's barking at the window cleaners because, you know, the dog wants to say hello. Oh. Me, that's me right now with all this sound going on. But that is so cute. Love that. It's like light as well. It's not like heavy. It's like a good, like it's not light as in like I feel like I don't know if I don't think it'd float. No, I feel like it would. It'd float on water. I feel like it would. That's me tester. So actually I'm gonna go for the tube before I go for what's in the box, like what's left. I think there's I don't know, there's some writing. Great description. Right, let's get this open. Oh, that wasn't too bad. I thought that was going to be a lot more difficult than it was going to play on then. Right. Let's have a look. Stop it. It's your ball. It's your ball. How beautiful. So it's like obviously the Your Ball poster advertisement. The paper feels beautiful. I think this is because I seen Alarm 18 said that they were doing collabs. Is it? Or will it be the Muggle Magic DIY? We'll have a look at the sheet. We'll have a look at the sheet. Because that feels like the book covers from the Accio, but that was not Alarm 18. We'll have a look. We'll have a look. See, no knowledge. Told you this. That is gorgeous though. It's absolutely beautiful. At the second one stroke, your beverage will be served. Oh, at the first one stroke, lead your partner to the dance floor. Then you'll get your beverage. And at the third one stroke, your feast will be served. Oh, it's always the best. Oh, we carry on. At the fourth one stroke, Witch and Wizard of the Ball will be announced. I never knew that was a thing. Who will lose the Witch and Wizard of the Goblet of Fire? I want to know. Jacob Rowland. Answer. At the fifth one stroke, your parade of one skills. Feel like that should be earlier on. If everyone's having a beverage and add the tea, I'm not then going to be ready to whip out my one skills. I'll be like, I'm ready for bed, mate. What do you do after dinner? And at the sixth one stroke, final Yule dance, then good night to all our very special guests. I'd love to be able to speak English. Yeah. So, strictly dressed to impress. See Professor McGonagall for details. Beautiful. I'm a big fan of that. That is gorgeous. So I love the fact of coming like a tube to keep it protected as well. Like, that is so thoughtful. This is the white thing that I was on about. This is Your Ball in theme too. Can you see it in the light? Can you see? You can see that outline. Can you see better on that side? No, you can see better on the other. I can see it because of the light. Oh my god, let's have a look. What are you? Oh, it's like a proper little... Is this an invitation? Am I invited? Oh my god. Is this what it is? This would be really awkward if it's not. I feel like I am. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my god, this is so sorry, I'm being so... Oh my god, that's not even... That's the back. That's the front. Are you joking? This is amazing. This is... Oh my god. That is so pretty. Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, together with the Ministry of Magic, request the pleasure of your company at the Yule Ball to celebrate Christmas and the Triwizard Tournament. I love this. What to say at the side? To be held at 7 o'clock or 1900 hours. Christmas Day at the Great Hall Hogwarts School at 21:30 hours. The traditional, or 9:30, the traditional champions waltz, strictly dressed to impress. That is... Oh, Cherry, you are killing me, girl. Look at the little potions hanging. I am obsessed. That is the most... Oh, look at the little dancers. Stop it. That's going right next to my bed. That's like a full-on Christmas decoration. That is gorgeous. And it just says Yule Ball. Repeatedly. Look at the foiling on that. She is not playing games. That is stunning. That is stunning. You say stunning, but I miss off the G. Just overpronounce everything else. That is gorgeous. Oh wow. Oh wow. I love the design. I wish I could think before I spoke today. I really do. I'm so sorry. I was so hyperactive. Right, I think we're done. Let me just get the little... No, we're not. No, we're not. Hey, we've got the little cheat sheet, but behind the cheat sheet... Oh, I love it. I love this. The Ron Weasley Howler. That is gorgeous. It's not signed by Cherry this time, but it feels exactly like the Mandrake. But it's not got a signature on it, so I don't know whether it's by you. I'm sure we'll find out. I love that. I love the howler. I love his face. I've got the picture. Oh, it's up there. Should I get it? Let me get it. Look, there's pictures on my wall. So now they can be friends. How gorgeous is that going to look? I love it. I'm gonna still get a lad to get back up there then. That is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Obsessed. So let's read. Oh God. Should we read it all? Do you have any faith and hope in me that I can read all this? I don't. Absolutely not. Right, so, oh, this is a Molly Weasley knitted scarf. So we are going to read it, but bear with me, okay? I will try my bestest, okay? So, have you ever wanted to be a Weasley? Of course, who doesn't? I don't live in the borough. That would be my house. Like, honestly, I love the borough. I love it. It's so cozy. It's so home. Like, that is home. However, I'm going off tangent. Designed to look like the ones given to Fred and George. Oh, that's why. Okay, well, I love it all even more now. I'll make this work for every single outfit that I own. I was going to say that I have, and then I said own. I do apologise. My mouth does its own thing, okay? It's like a motor for a car. You know, sometimes it turns on, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it turns left, right. Doesn't really know what's happening. Well, with my driving, that's what my car's like. So, designed to look like the one, yeah, given to them. During Christmas dinner at number 12 Grimmauld Place in Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. Now you can feel like part of the family. I love that. I'm going to wear this all day. I'm going to go to work with this on. Like, I love this. I'm a big fan. Flying. So then we've got, I'll show you, I'll give you a demonstration because still got, my bed looks ridiculous, but it's okay. So then we've got the flying key. Wait, let me hold that a little bit more attractive. There we go. Don't know whether that's more attractive, but it looked better than before. The flying keys from Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stones are some of my favourite props. You can adorn your Christmas tree, with your very own flying key. No broomsticks required to catch it. What would this time of year be without all the festive decorations? Oh, and did you spot the Deathly Hallows symbol? I did, girl. I did. I had ya. Oh, I'm so glad. That's normally never me. Normally I need to be told these type of things. Then we have the wizard chess piece. The moment I first discovered wizard chess, I really wanted to play a game. This is a replica of one of the Quidditch pieces you see Harry and Ron playing with at Christmas in 1991. That's totally barbaric. That's wizard chess. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love that. That's honestly one of my favourite things, because that scene when Hermione comes in and then they're putting, Professor Flitwick's putting the decorations on the Christmas tree, and like it's got that little music and she's like, you haven't checked the restricted section. I love it. 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 If you can't tell. If you can't tell. So then the next we have the Howler artwork. Ronald Weasley, how dare you steal that car? I do not do impressions for a living. Please don't you dare sit there and be like, don't try that again. I will never try this again. I am ashamed of myself right now, but it's okay, because we're here. This is all Harry Potter. I really enjoy, painting my Mandrake artwork for my previous box, so I thought I'd do another. So it is by Cherry. It ain't sad, but it's by Cherry, so we know it's by Cherry. You can tell by her work, but it's just so good. I've always been incredibly fond of Howlers, though I'm sure Ron would disagree. Absolutely, with his face on this picture, if you can't tell. Then we've got the Remember All. And then we've got, don't worry if your Remember All hasn't turned red. It just indicates that you haven't forgotten anything. We can't all be forgetful as Neville. This is particularly useful magical artifact with some pretty remarkable powers, and I wanted you to have one for when you enter a new year. Start off your year organised and make Hermione proud. Keep this item out of Muggle hands and definitely keep it away from Draco Malfoy. Absolutely, because I ain't got a broomstick to go flying after them to catch it. Absolutely not. Then the next thing is, where's my Chudley cannons at? Yeah, we've got this little bad boy. So we have, show your support for one of the best Quidditch teams out there. Well, according to Ron at least. This flag was designed to look like the one proudly displayed in the Gryffindor boys' dormitory next to Ron's bed. What Quidditch team would you support? Ooh. See, I always pick Chudley Cannon just because Ron liked it, but it's really orange. I know loads of people love the holly head herpes, is that what it's called? Or is that like a sexual transmitted disease? I don't know. Oh, no, harpies. Herpes is a disease. Harpies. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, the holly head harpies, I'm sure that's what they're called. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Why? I mean, why would you not want to subscribe to me? I mean, who else talks about diseases like that? We're gonna move on to the next item because yeah, we're just gonna leave that there. So the next thing we have was one of my absolute favourite items, which is the Holly. I'm obsessed with Holly now. It's the Year Ball invitation. Oh, there he is, Muggle Magic DIY. That's what he's called. What did I call him? I know I said Alarm 18. I will link both. I will link everyone I've said. So I will link Alarm 18 because he does gorgeous replicas, like the book replicas. And he's done the potions for the, what was that potion? The one to win the Felix Felicis. He's done that in the last box. Obviously I'll link all that down below, so if you want to see what it's like, I will like show you it all down below. But this is designed, oh, I didn't know this was being designed by him too. That's so good. So I'm going to imagine that he's done the other one, because I remember one of them said that they had 2 items with cherry. So I'm going to assume this is the one I'm thinking of. So his name's Danny from oh my god, why can't I say his name? Muggle Magic DIY. This stunning Yule Ball invitation is one of my favourite paper replicas. It has been an amazing honour to have such a talented wizard to work inside this box. I'm so excited to be able to share it with you. Or not only is there gold foiling, there's silver too. Oh, we seeing that foiling, girl. You ain't playing games with that. Nicholas are definitely going to want to steal this, so keep it safe. Do you have your dress robes or dresses ready? Hermione's dress in the Yule Ball was beyond my favourite. Like I always say that, like, she is just stunning. The whole Yule Ball is stunning now. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm so glad that she's including so much from it, because it's so Christmassy and so magical and amazing. Amazing. Next we have the pin. Where's my pin at? Hogwarts Reef enamel pin. Merlin's Beard. This is another stunning card enamel pin designed by one of my favourite witches, Amelia. Oh, Amelia, I love you. Amelia B, she is unreal. Obviously I'll link it down below. In literally, I've got a pin mail coming up. That is coming up. I've recorded the pin that I unboxed from Amelia, and then I've got loads more to unbox. So the pile's there. The pile is right there, and I can't wait to go through it all. I'm just waiting for the perfect time, because I've got, as I said in my last video, so many videos planned for you that I'm just waiting to make sure they're all on at the right time, so you get them, because I've got, if I haven't got enough, 2 more advent calendars to unbox for you, so I need to like make sure they fit in, so obviously you can see them before, because can you believe December's literally like not even 2 weeks away? Like, wait, is it? I feel like no, it isn't. 30 days are September, April, June and November. Yeah, it's 31 days in November. Yeah. So if that's the case, we're on the 20th today. So yeah, 11 days. It shouldn't have took me that long to work that out, but I was right in the face. I should just stick with my guns. But yeah, so obviously I want you to be able to see them in case you want to grab them before the 1st of December. So they're coming up. They're the next videos that I've got coming up. Anyway, back to this. Back to what we're going on about for. Gorgeous pin. Love Amelia. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pin she creates. She's gorgeous, unreal, obsessed. I am obsessed. And she's Australian. That accent is unreal. Australian MasterChef is the best thing I've ever seen in my life. But anyway, off topic again. Thank God we ain't got that much left to go through, because she'll be with me all night. So we've got the Yule Ball bottle, which is, did you see how luxurious the Yule Ball was in 1994? I don't know about you, but I certainly wanted to be there. Around the towering ice sculpture, there were glass pumpkin juice bottles, and I've always thought how brilliant they'd look with a collection of Wizarding World items. Do you think you'll like pumpkin juice? I don't think I will, but cherries put, I'm personally not too sure I'd like it. Maybe I need to make some to find out, sorry. I don't like, even when I'm carving a pumpkin, like the inside of a pumpkin. I know people love pumpkin pie, but oh my lord, I really don't like it. Like, honestly, even just to cut it out, I can't deal with it. And the fact people make pies with them, I'm like, I mean, it's amazing. You know, I wish I liked it. I wish I liked it, but no. I mean, I've never tried pumpkin, so I don't know what it tastes like, but I don't like the smell. I don't like the feel. So we're 2 out of 5. The smell, no, the smell's 1. Don't really like how it looks. I feel like that's 3. I think it's only taste. What's the other sense? Sight? No. Sight? Oh, hear. Ain't got a noise, has it? Maybe the hearing of you eating it, drinking it. I'm gonna shut up. Sorry. So sorry about me. However, this is absolutely beautiful. Oh, I'm a weirdo. Honestly, I show my nan these videos and she's like, oh my god, Antonia, are you okay? And I'm like, I'm sorry, nan. Good job my family love me and I love them. Well, I hope they love me anyway. So then we've got the Harry and Ron Christmas gloves. Oh, yeah. I wish I could edit half of this out, honestly do, because, oh, please pretend that didn't happen. Just fast forward that bit. Please, please never do that. Never watch me do that ever again. So we've got the gloves. The knitted jumpers that Molly Weasley made for Harry and Ron are iconic. Unfortunately, I couldn't convince her to knit you all a jumper. She's already got her hands full having to look after all the Weasleys, but I hope these Molly inspired gloves will keep your hands warm this winter. These are going in my car straight after this. I am in love with them. If you can't tell when I wore them, I love them. Love. They're like a soft material as well, not like that irritating, nasty, like, you know when you put like glitter on material and it's like itchy, you know what I mean? Like, oh no, not today, because these are soft. Then the final thing we have is, where have I put it? It's rolled up somewhere. Oh, there it is, it's in my eye range. Let's unroll it again. It is, oh god, I'm not going to be able to do these two things at once. Jesus, there we go, yeah. Oh no. Then we've got another magical treat that has been designed by Danny from Muggle Magic DIY. Oh my god, I said his name right. Oh, I feel like a god. I love the Yule Ball invitation so much that I couldn't resist including more of Danny's work. Add a little more festive magical to your home this festive season. Absolutely love it. This is much better. I love the last box though. Like, I haven't got emotion in this box. I've got a little bit emotional in my last video, so I will link it down below. But I have to say, she really did like push it out the mark though. Like, this is so good. I have to say, these are a few of my favourites. Oh, add that too though. Oh god. These, everything, the whole box, just the whole box. This is such a strong box. Like, I'm a really big fan of this box, like massively. I've been considering, you let me know, because comment now, because obviously this is going to go live in a couple of hours, literally 3 hours if I'm that magical. So thank god I'm raw and I don't really edit that much out of my videos, because I honestly don't. Everyone always asks that, and I'm still terrible at editing. If you can't tell, I mean, you should be able to tell, but I like to just keep it raw. So even when I do stupid things or say stupid things, I like you to see me being stupid, because I am. And I couldn't be able to hide it on every video. I just couldn't. But yeah, please comment down below if I should get the Christmas themed Geek Gear box, because they're saying like they've nearly sold out, and I'm like 50-50 on it. I love Geek Gear. Like, obviously the reason I'm talking about it is Cherry collabed with Geek Gear to make this box, and they are an amazing subscription company. And then in the UK, no customs, that mate, that saves my life. Customs, literally, I swear I've paid the post office wage for at least a month for how much customs charge I've paid. And I know I've got more things coming, because I can't help myself. Like, honestly, I love so many things that are in like America. The subscription boxes there, like the Accio and the Asca box. Oh, that's coming soon, and I can't wait to unbox that for you, and the Literary Crate one. So we've got a lot going on. But let me know if you want to see the unboxing of the Geek Gear box. Honestly, comment down below, and then if you say you want to see it, then I'll make the purchase. Okay, I need you to be the bad influence on me. Okay. But yeah, I did absolutely love it. My favourite item, as you've seen, was them. I love this scarf as well. Like, honestly, the more I wear it, the more like I'm falling in love with it. Like, it's the softest scarf ever. It feels really, really good quality. I just love it. This is how I normally wear my scarves, by the way. Like, I won't pull it up because I want it to stay the colours that it is. I loved it. I love how many items, like the gloves and the scarf, that are practical and Harry Potter. Like, you would not look at this and see Fred and George Weasley unless you watched Harry Potter. Do you know what I mean? Like, I knew when I unboxed it, like, I thought, oh, maybe it's a Molly Weasley thing. Like, I feel like it's a Molly Weasley thing, but no one else would know that. And even the gloves, like, even though people might look at you a bit whack because they're different colours, and obviously one's got a H and an R on, but you wouldn't know. And I love that. Like, I love it. I love the fact she turned to jumping into a glove. Who thinks of these things? I love it. obsessed, because I should have worn me Ron. I have a Ron jumper. Why did I not wear it? Because it's been twinning. But yeah, absolutely loved it. Gorgeous box, and I really hope she does more, because if she does, obviously I wouldn't be able to resist. I would definitely have to order more. Love the fact she keeps including art prints. I hope that that's a continuous thing, like if you carry on Cherry doing your boxes. If you're watching, probably not, but if you do, hello. I'd love you to carry on doing your art prints, because I love them, and it's such a personal item, I feel like, because you've designed them all, I know that, but I don't know, I feel like with the drawing it's got that extra touch, and I'm just obsessed with it. Gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I don't really want to pick a least favourite, because I did love it all. If I had to set no, because I love replicas. I was gonna say maybe the Chudley cannons, maybe, only because I mean, it will match because I'm a Gryffindor, you know what I mean? Maybe if I wasn't a Gryffindor, it'd be a bit like, Huey. I don't really know how to put it up. Oh, she did tell me in my video to use like the sticky tapes to put them up. Well, she was saying that to help me with my wall, because obviously she's lovely. But that, yeah, I think maybe, I don't know. I do love it though, and I feel like next to my little Gryffindor, it'd look really cute. And like, no one again would know what that is unless they know Quidditch and Ron Weasley. So I love it. It was a really strong box. Let me know what your favourite item is. Obviously I can't choose because I have too many favourites. Honestly, I'm obsessed. Like, that was a really good box. So yeah, let me know what your favourite is. Like, definitely tell me if I should get the Geekier December box. Subscribe, because literally the giveaway, I was going to end it this morning, and then I thought, well, technically it's still the 20th today, so you've got until literally a minute before midnight, obviously, because then it'll be tomorrow, so 11:59 PM time in UK time, because I am the worst person at understanding time, like literally, to enter the giveaway. So I will, that'll be linked down below, so if you haven't already, definitely get involved, because you've literally got a couple of hours left to do it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I see you in the next one. I really apologise for me, this whole video, just me, just everything that just happened right here. But I really hope you did enjoy it, and I hope that you'll subscribe and join our magical family. And yeah, I hope you have a lovely evening, morning, afternoon, whatever other time of day that it could be, wherever you are, and I hopefully see you in the next video. Bye.